Right, I haven't done much filming on this area yet of me laying any tiles, but we're going to stick this one in now and I'll just show you the way I like to do this. All right, my kind associate over there can grab the camera. Yeah. Right, I'm going to have to stick some gloves on first. It can be quite messy. So the cement bed's down. And I'm using these clips, which I get from Tyler's Tools. They are really, really cool. So I laid my bed already. I'm going to stick a bit of primer on here now. Stick over here so you can see the priming. This is the normal Marshall's primer. We're going to keep using this stuff for now until I run out. Right, okay, so spin that round. So what I like to do, plonk it on as close as you can actually get it. So I like to get it as close as possible, which it is. And the next step I like to do is put these clips on, because they're going to stop it from shifting round. So I'll put them around about 4 of those, 1 in each corner. Then I'll tap it down then to exactly the position I actually need it. But yeah, these are really good, these clips. Some of the good reasons is, you know what's laid, so you know what not to stand on. Plus, they do what they say on the tin. They hold everything in position nicely. So they're not all the way down tight now. So I'm going to make sure I got enough room for 4 of these spaces. I'm going to plonk them in. And when they're in position, like that, I like to hit in from the corner to tighten it right up. So I'll do a couple of taps there, making sure that line's level there, that line's level there. They do pop out every now and then, these things, but it's totally fine. I'll just grab my spirit level, just to make sure it's nice and flat underneath, which it is. I'll just give it a quick level that way, nice and flat. So now this is in position. Now we can tighten these up. As soon as they're tightened up, then I'll just give another tap into the corner. The reason being hitting it into the corner, so you know it goes right over there, touching the spaces. I'll do that, a couple of little taps, make sure it's solid. Final tighten. And you know you're good to go. Then you just come back the following day, you get the clicks off, pick up all these things, stick them in a pile, you're ready then for your next area. Well, right, okay, so we're done.
Thumbs up? No.
Thumbs up, oh yeah.
Yeah.